In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of being unable to link a bank because it is disabled on PayPal. This common problem can be frustrating, but don't worry, as I'm here to guide you through the steps you need to follow to resolve this issue. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to the PayPal homepage. This is where you can access all the necessary features of your PayPal account. Once you are on the homepage, the next thing you need to do is click on Log In. This step is indeed crucial, as it gives you full access to your account. After clicking on Login, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. If you're worried about security, PayPal offers an additional layer of protection through verification. You can click on Get a WhatsApp text or Get a text to verify your account ownership. PayPal will send a verification code to the number linked with your account. Once you receive the code, enter it in the designated field to proceed. This ensures your account is protected and reduces the chance of unauthorized access. Now that you've successfully logged in, the next step is to head over to your PayPal homepage. Once you're there, find and click on the Wallet option. The Wallet section is where you manage all the financial information associated with your PayPal account, including bank accounts and credit cards. Clicking on this will display a list of accounts and cards connected to your profile. In the Wallet section, click on the account that you want to link or resolve. This step is essential because it allows you to view all the details pertaining to that particular bank account. You'll need to verify that the information is up to date, because outdated information might cause the bank account to become disabled. Once you've clicked on the account, look for the option that says Update Card and click on it. Sometimes the card information that's linked to your PayPal account can cause issues if it's expired or incorrect. By clicking Update Card, you can enter any new information and save the changes, ensuring your account is active and linked correctly. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to resolve the issue of an unlinked or disabled bank account on PayPal. By following these steps, you'll be able to have full control over the accounts linked to your PayPal profile, allowing you to make transactions seamlessly. Remember, keeping your financial information up to date is key to ensuring a smooth experience with PayPal. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Have a great day.